In this session we are going to learn about this scenario. Okay, scenario means what? You can compare your existing value in that. You can substitute it, or you can allow user allows to substitute the set of values automatically in a worksheet. Like if you are going to create a budget in your home, right? You have some incomes are there and some outgoings, means expenses are there, but you don't know in which you want to decrease some expenses, so you can create a scenario at that time. Okay, so let's see practically how to create this scenario in this. So here I have already made one monthly expense sheet. Inside that monthly income and the monthly expenses list is there. Incomes are from the salary, so this much income is there, rent collection is there, and other sources are there. So there are three sources from income can be get in a month, so the total is 95,000 in a per month. Okay, now at the same time in that month expenses are also occurred, like food or groceries are there, clothes, electricity bills, water bills, car EMI, fuel, water bills, Wi-Fi bills, newspaper bills, domestic help bill. So such kind of expenses are there, and how many expenses are there, it is also list out there. So here I have type that particular list. Okay, so now based on that we can create the scenario. So how to create a scenario? So select our expenses, so select it like this and go to the tools. From the tools you can click on the scenario. When the scenario will appear, you can click here scenario type. For example, we are going to decrease the food and grocery in the first scenario, so here food and grocery. Okay, first. Now in this, when this scenario is created, it is the optional. If you want to change it, you can change it. If you don't want to change, you can. Second thing, here it displays the border of that particular scenario when it will be completed. So if you want to change this color, you can change it. By default it will be light gray, it will remain same. Okay, now if you want to prevent the change, if you want to stop for changing, you can click here. Now click on the OK, and you can change the necessary things, like food and grocery will be 30,500, so it can be changed here. Okay, and at that time water will be 400 only, so it will be 400. So automatically this is changed for the scenario 1. Now again we are going to add the second scenarios, so select it, tools, and you can click on the scenario. In this we will change in the electricity bill, so electricity bill scenario number 2. In that color will be something like light green, and click OK. So now if you click here, it will be changed like this. First, so you have changed in the food and grocery and clothes. Second scenario will be you have changed in the particular electricity bill. Okay, now if you are going to create a third scenario of the same, so select your data and go to the tools and click on the scenario again. Now type the scenario name, like we are going to decrease the newspaper bill. Okay, for the third scenario, and we want to change color like yellow. Okay, and click OK. So at this time we will change the here like 500 only, so newspaper bill becomes to 500. So whenever you add scenarios, it will display it is 74,250. Second will be same. Okay, and third will be change. So this way we can create the scenario. Scenario is generally used to allow the users to substitute the specific value, and then you can compare in between. Here which is the best suitable for you, you can compare it, in which we are going to change it, in which we are going to increase that things. If you want to increase something, you can also increase in that. For example, we are going to increase in the domestic bill. Okay, so select it, go to the tools and click on the scenario. At that time we'll click the add in domestic help bill. Okay, and then its color will be the like light magenta, and click OK. In this we'll keep the 6,000, press enter. Right, so scenario you can create it like this. See, like this also you can create the different scenarios is there, and it will be displayed product also. But sometimes if you want a navigation button, you can press F5, the navigation window will appear. Then from the sheets you can click on the particular grocery 1, grocery 2, and all that things you can click it. Okay, and where you want to put it, you can click on the active sheet, so it will be change its value also. If you drag upside downside, if you want to click on that particular things, you can select it also. Got it, students? So this is called the scenario. We can create the scenario using that. You can go to the tools and click on the scenario, so that the scenario will be appear. So similarly we can do anything in the scenario, but the use of the scenario is you can analyze your data. You can substitute up to set of 32 times. You can create up to 32 scenario in the Microsoft Office Excel also, and also in the spreadsheet also. Okay, so this is all about the use of the scenario. We can create different scenario for this. In the next lesson we will going to create what if analysis using the different analysis. If you and using this we can do it or if analysis. Okay, till then, thank you and bye, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share to my videos to your friends.